Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Who has won the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? All of the above. Where has the 69th National School Games been held? Srinagar. Which country has launched Southeast Asia's first coral larval cryobank? Philippines. Which initiative has been launched by the Government of India for the conservation of camels? National Camel Sustainability Initiative. The Shraddhanjali scheme has been launched by which state government? Assam. In which state is the Mera Ho Chongba festival celebrated? Manipur. Who has become the first state to abolish the Madrasa board and bring minority education into the mainstream? Uttarakhand. What is the decline in the prevalence rate of leprosy in India from 1981 to 2025? %99. Where has the first commercial coal mine been launched in Arunachal Pradesh? Changlang. The Junior Badminton Championships 2025 has been held in which state? Assam. What historic anniversary was marked related to UP Department of Agriculture during the DSR Conclave 2025? 150th anniversary. Uttar Pradesh contributes what percentage approximately to India's total food production? 21%. What traditional agricultural product from UP is linked to Lord Buddas Mahaprasad? Kala Namak rice. World Cotton Day is observed on which date? October 07. Which country is the largest producer of cotton globally? India. Where is the Karnak temple located? Egypt. What initiative was launched by the Indian government for camel conservation? National Camel Sustainability Initiative. Which state government launched the Shraddhanjali scheme? Assam. In which state is the Mera Ho Chongba festival celebrated? Manipur. What vision was outlined by Uttar Pradesh CM at the DSR Conclave 2025? Global Food Basket by 2030. Where was International Abhidhamma Divas celebrated in 2025? Greater Noida. Abhidhamma Pitaka is part of the scripture of which religion? Theravada Buddhism. When is World Cotton Day observed? October 07. Who hosted the World Junior Shooting Championship 2028? India. Which organization recognized India's first dugong conservation reserve? IUCN. What is the theme of World Cotton Day 2025? The fabric of our lives. Who won the F1 Singapore Grand Prix 2025? George Russell. When is Indian Air Force Day celebrated? October 08. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. Which festival in Telangana set to Guinness World Records? Bathukamma. Who is known as the father of Kathak dance? Bindadin Maharaj. What was the value of Tata Group's largest IPO in 2025? ₹15,511 crore. Where was the 68th Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference 2025 held? Bridgetown. Which river is called the Ganga of the South? Kaveri. Who is the leader of opposition in the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly? Akhilesh Yadav. Which district in Uttar Pradesh has the largest coal reserves? Sonbhadra. Who celebrates the Indian Air Force Day? Indian Air Force. Which festival marks the conclusion of the rainy retreat, Vasa, in Theravada Buddhism? Pavra Festival. Which state launched the Mahje Ghar housing scheme? Goa. Where is the headquarters of Bisigan located? Gujarat. Where is the headquarters of the Railway Safety Commission in India? Lucknow. What new biometric payment authentication did Razorpay and Yes Bank launch? Fingerprint recognition. What is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. What is the currency of Egypt? Pound. What is the capital of the Philippines? Manila. What is the currency of the Philippines? Peso. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. What is the capital of Manipur? Imphal. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.